If you're a lover of nature, imagine living in a world where every being sings in unison. Welcome to a world of harmony. In this utopia, humans, animals, and nature coexist in perfect bliss. Birds serenade the sunrise while trees whisper secrets of ancient wisdom. From the smallest flower to the tallest oak, every living thing thrives in a symphony of peace. Here, love flows like a river, nourishing every soul and every root. No fear, no conflict, only the pure essence of life in collaboration. Imagine walking through a forest where every step is a dance of unity, every breath a gift of harmony. This is not just a dream. It is the world we can create. A world where we truly live in love. Let's build this fearless world together.